8 hours earlier.
Saz actually agreed to go camping with me today. I don't think she knows what she got herself into.
My first camping trip ever. I honestly don't know what to expect. I wanted to be surprised for this, but me being the person that I am definitely bringing myself an overnight bag with Sazan essentials, aka my survival kit. I'm gonna pack my stuff up and I'm gonna do it really quickly so that Stevie doesn't see. I'm teaming up with Botanicals mosquito repellent for my first camping trip ever. For real though, I am not trying to get bit, so that is definitely going in my bag.
Saz. What are you doing?
What are your shoes right now?
Do not hate on the hiking boots. You don't need makeup when you go camping because
This is my no makeup look.
the wilderness will destroy you if you wear this.
Wear what?
Nobody wears that camping.
This is a romper, first of all, and this is like lumberjack vibes.
Not even close. Don't worry, SAZquatch, you're in luck. Cause I got you some clothes to prepare you for the outback.
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah, I really got you some stuff.
Shut up, no, I'm not wearing this. No, I don't want to wear this.
Come on out.
This turn you on or something? The only thing popping in this outfit is my lip color.
I think I coordinated the colors nicely, so you're welcome for that. You look great. You ready to go?
Well, I'm not really wearing this. I cannot believe I'm wearing this right now. Honestly, I never ever as a kid had the desire in my heart to go camping. Oh yeah, let's leave the comfort of our own home and go sleep with the creepy crawlies of the world and have bears attack us and potentially not be able to wipe our booty. Like, I cannot get down with that.
It's not like you're just out there in the wilderness and you're like Bear Grylls trying to survive. You're not gonna die.
I'll be honest, like, part of me is a little nervous because I've never been, but the other part of me, I feel like I'm good. It's not like I came empty-handed. I brought a duffel bag full of stuff.
What do you mean? All right, Sazzy Cakes, we made it.
I officially have no service.
That's not the point of camping.
Okay, I'm coming.
Come on.
Listen, I'm not a pro when it comes to camping. I've never been camping, but is it just me or is this place a little ratchet? It's a little basic. Just saying. Coming! But I will say the dust is actually good as a translucent powder. It's gonna keep me shine free all day.
Okay, let's set up the tent.
Okay, first things first. I ain't setting nothing up until I spray off those mosquitoes because I feel itchy thinking about it. Step back. This is my zone right now. Thank you.
Let's go.
Oh my God. So much dust right now. It's just going in my eyes. Let's go in the direction that the wind isn't.
What are you talking?
These holes I've seen the Travel Channel. This is indication that there's snakes here.
There's no snakes, all right?
This is where we're pitching the tent.
You know anything about setting up a tent?
How hard could it be? Come on.
Okay. Okay.
We did it.
All Botanicals mosquito repellent. Man, I'm about to spray all up on my arms, all up on my legs. Me and baby girl take a hike today. We don't play, yeah.
Yeah, like he said, yeah, we taking a hike and we walking around. We ain't getting no bites. Why? Cause we staying protected. So put on that off and don't you forget it.
Bah!
So it's been a few hours since I've reapplied my Off Botanicals mosquito repellent. So I am just gonna do that and talk a little bit about it with you guys and why I love it. This formula actually is really soft on my skin. I'm really picky when it comes to spraying anything on my skin, especially if it leaves behind a sticky residue, and this one doesn't. And it has no fragrances, so my nose can be sensitive, and I'm glad that it doesn't smell like anything. The fact that I have no mosquito bites, I'm a very happy girl right now. Okay, but real talk, I don't know where Stevie went. It was literally 2 feet.
You guys thought I was dying.
I peed on myself.
No, you didn't. You did not. You're a faker.
I did.
Don't you just love this? Aren't you having a good time?
Honestly, today has been so much fun, but think about like the fact that we have this huge king size bed at home right now with air conditioning, and I think there might be a massage waiting for you.
You are weak. We're not going home, Saz. We're camping.
2 hours later.
Home sweet bed. Aren't you glad, babe, that the campsite was so close to home that we were able to come back and sleep in our king size bed? Until next time. Yeah. Bye.